install Ubuntu, first let's go to the official website of Ubuntu and download the latest available version. For that, let's go ahead to Google and type install Ubuntu. Click on the link install Ubuntu desktop. Here we will see the installation document. Read the overview and go to the next page. In this page, we can see the download options. Click on the download Ubuntu desktop link. It will redirect you to the download page. The latest available LTS version of the Ubuntu desktop is Ubuntu 24.04.2 and the size is 5.9 GB. Click on download 24.04.2 LTS button. This will initiate the download. Since I am using IDM tool, the download happens in IDM. But if you are not using any tool, it will automatically get downloaded by the web browser. So now I'm downloading. It takes few minutes to get it downloaded. Okay, now it's downloaded. Let's open the downloads folder. You can see the Ubuntu ISO file there. There are many options available to make this ISO file bootable and create an installation media using a USB drive or an optical drive. Normally I use the Rufus, which is very tiny and portable tool. You can download the latest version of this tool from the official site. Once downloaded, just double click to open it. Follow the instruction and create the bootable drive. Once done, restart the machine where you want to install Ubuntu. Select the bootable drive and boot. What you see now is the grub menu of Ubuntu. You might see multiple options there. The option that we have to choose is try or install Ubuntu. Choose the option and hit enter. It might take few minutes to load the temporary Ubuntu environment. Now it's loaded. First, let's choose the language. Once done, hit enter. Now see the options to customize accessibility in Ubuntu. Either you can do it or skip it for now and hit next. Now you choose the keyboard layout. Once done, hit next. Connect to the internet using the available options and hit next. Since there is an update available, it's prompting you to do it. But I'm skipping it for now. Now let's select install Ubuntu and hit next. Choose the interactive installation and hit next. Here I would prefer to go with the default installation. If you like to install additional tools, you can select extended selection. Once done, hit next. Now check if you have any proprietary software installed in your device. If yes, you can install the recommended drivers and media formats. Once done, hit next. Considering that this is a new installation, I prefer to erase disk and install Ubuntu. If you like to set up the partitions manually, you can choose that option as well. Provide the name, computer name, username and password. Once done, hit next. Now choose your time zone and hit next. On this page, you can review the choices that you made. Once reviewed, hit install button to install Ubuntu. First the files will be copied, then the system installation progress. Post that the settings are applied. Once the installation done, the prompt will ask you to restart the system. Restart the system and log in with the credentials. Once restarted, you might see another wizard which shows the success message that the installation is completed. You can view the release notes if interested and hit next. Enable Ubuntu Pro if interested. If not, you can skip it for now. Now, you can choose whether you are ready to share the system data with the Ubuntu team or not. This will help them to improve Ubuntu. Choose the option that works for you and hit next. Hit finish to complete the installation process. You can open the terminal and run the command hostnamectl to check the installed version of Ubuntu and the details along with it. Cheers.